Hi, this is John Oakes from logicblogger.com, and in this short video I'm going to show you a really sweet plugin that can be used to extend your tagging capability on your WordPress blog. Now, in the past, what I've shown you is how to use the Google Wonder Wheel to be able to come up with some very easy, relevant LSI keywords for using to tag your posts. However, with the Google Wonder Wheel gone, we needed to find a new simple alternative. And this free plugin actually is better and more effective than using the Google Wonder Wheel. So the plugin I'm talking about is called Simple Tags. You can see I've got it installed right here. There'll be a link directly below this video within this post, so you can link right to the plugin information page if you'd like to install it and try it for yourself. Once you have this plugin installed, you'll see that there's a new item under your settings in your WordPress dashboard called Simple Tags. Now, this plugin does a whole heck of a lot of stuff that most of which I'll never use, and I'll give you the opportunity to look through and read through some of that information on your own about all the additional extension capabilities of this. But what we really wanted to find was a very simple alternative for finding relevant LSI keywords. So what I'm going to be showing you is how we can use this plugin directly for that. So on the features section of the settings for simple tags, the selections that I'm using is the click tags feature, the auto completion, the suggested tags feature, the related posts by terms, the auto terms posts, the tags for page, and that's it. Now some of these others, again, you can research that and see if you want to use those, and then I clicked update options. Now where the real power of this is under the administration tab. Now in here, I'm going to scroll down here to where you have the option to enter some API keys. Now the first one is for OpenCalais. Now OpenCalais, if you visit their website, opencalais.com, you'll want to click on their link of how does Calais work. And this is going to give you the background of what it is that they do. But essentially, they provide an access to an API that helps you with semantic indexing of the internet. And so it's a great source for being able to use their API to generate relevant LSI, latent semantic indexing keywords to use as tags on your website. And you can do the exact same thing with Alchemy, which we'll visit that website, alchemyapi.com. Very similar service, again allows you to plug into their API. You can apply for the API keys at both of these websites for free, and they'll email that API key to you. Once you have those, you simply enter them into these spots, update options, and now I'm going to go to a new post that I'm making. Now in the edit post screen for the very post that you're reading right now, if we scroll down to this section here, the Simple Tags plugin has added a couple of sections, and the one that we're going to be using the most is Suggested Tags From. And here you have a link to several different sources to pull LSI tags. So the first thing we can do is we can click Local Tags, which is going to pull from a local database in our blog all the keywords that we've used in the past for tags. So if you wanted to select some of those, you could. We can click on Yahoo, and if we click that, it takes just a second. But Yahoo, this engine will then go through Yahoo and pull any relevant tags that we could be using in our post. So I see some here that I'm going to go ahead and use. And you just click on these and it adds it right to your tags. So anything that you feel is related to the post. And then if you click on the Open Calais, it will grab all of the ones from that database. So we can grab anything that we didn't already add. And then if we click on the Alchemy API, we can grab anything from there. Now we can do this for all of the ones that we've entered our API keys in, and then of course tag the net, which does not require an API key, will also give us some additional typically one-word key phrases that we can use. So we can throw in a few of those. And once we've done that, we'll see that those have all been added into this comma-separated list of keywords for the tags for this post. And once we do that, we can go ahead and save that. And now if we go back into the All Posts screen, we can see that all of those tags have been added into that post. And that's it. It's very, very simple. I'll leave it to you to do a little more research on that and see some of the other features that the Simple Tags plugin can do. And so far it seems to be working very well and actually more effective and more of a time saver than using the Google Wonder Wheel.